Hey guys, it's Charlotte and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So it is week 3 of our weekly check-in for April and the dates are going to be from the 16th through the 22nd. Now before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know if you're new, and if not, if you are a returner, thank you for always supporting me. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Shirley. I do a lot of budgeting and grocery hauls and debt snowballs, trying to get out of debt. But anyways, so we are using my Erin Condren, the 7.9 Deluxe, and if you want to purchase your first planner like I did, well this is my second one, but you will get a $10 off your first purchase, and then I will get 1,000 points, something like that, that equals to $10 also, that I can use towards my next planner or any stationery or anything that I want. And I thank you for all of your support and everybody who has purchased their first planner. I'm so excited, and if you do your first video of unboxing your planner, let me know because I will be more than willing to go and check y'all out. Alright, so first we're going to do our no spins, and I do not have any no spin stickers. I know it's very sad because I ran out, and I did order some from Tempest XOXO Designs and I'm waiting for that to come in. I think it's coming in tomorrow, but I really can't wait to do the check-in because then the weekly check-in will be late. So anyways, I'm going to use her stickers that I got from her, and I just wrote no spins on there, and we're just going to do that. Alright, so let's place them. So on the 16th we have a no spin. On the 17th was a no spin. And then on the 22nd was a no spin. Alright, so there's that. I really don't like the red. It doesn't go with my aesthetic, you know, but you know, it'll be fine. I can make it last until I get it in. Alright, so, oh, the brightness went weird there. But anyways, so we're going to go and do Saturday on the 18th. So as always, we do grocery shopping. I did not get gas because I still had gas left over. So we did not get gas that day. And then for sinking funds, I did take out the $440 from the vacation fund. And I will let y'all know maybe in a couple of weeks what we did with that. But for right now, I'm just going to tell y'all, we took out the $440 from the vacation fund. Now, if you think you know what we're doing with this money, let me know down below because I love to figure out like your guesses and everything. I would love to know. Alright, so on the 19th, I went to Publix and I bought some treats because we were just staying in and we wanted to bake and everything, something fun. So I wanted to bake some cookies. So I spent $11 at Publix to get that stuff. And then that is all for the 19th. Now on the 20th is when we got gas. So I spent $15 in gas, and our gas is like $1.47 now, which is great. It's going to suck whenever it goes back up, but I'm loving it right now. Alright, and then for Etsy. Etsy is what I use. I use my debit card to buy the budget stickers, and then I bought the no spin stickers and the May kit from Tempest XOXO, so go and check her out. She is great. Alright, and then last but not least, on the 21st, I bought some drinks for me and my coworker because her relative, like cousin or uncle, somebody like that that lives upper state traveling, he bought us dinner for Olive Garden that got catered to us. And so in return, it's nothing big or anything, so I just bought some drinks for both of us to have. So that is what I did, and I appreciate everybody who has catered to us for the healthcare workers and everything, or any other goodies. I really appreciate it. Nobody needed to do that, and I'm sure they're not watching this, but you know, I just wanted to shout out all of that. Alright, so let's go over just what we did just a little bit before we flip over to the weekly check-in. Alright, so the no spins was the 16th and the 17th. On the 18th, we had groceries for $30, and vacation, we used $440. Publix was $11. Gas was $15. Etsy was $25. On the 21st, I bought some drinks for us, was $3, and then we had a no spend on the 22nd. All right, so very quickly, let's flip over. So for groceries, as always, we spent $30. So I should have $70 left. Gas, we spent $15. So I should have $45 left. I think that's right, $45. And then fun money, we spent $11. Oh, and the drink. So $11, $12, $13, $14. Cushion, we spent $25, so we should have $75 left. And then sinking funds, we spent $440. And then we will do that in a minute. So let's just do the sinking funds because I'm not going to count all of that. So we have $1,775 minus $440 equals to $1,335. $1,335. So that is how much we have left in the remaining for our sinking funds. All right. So gas, we are going to subtract $60 from $15 equals to $45. And then cushion, nope, not cushion, fun money was $40. $40 minus $14, we should have $26 left. All right, and then we are just going to look in our cash envelopes to make sure that everything is good and ready. All right, groceries should have $70, $2, $40, $60, and $70. Gas, $20, $40, $45. So $45 left. Fun money should be $26. 20, 25, and 26. All right, so there you have it, folks. That is our weekly check-in. This is our third week, as I have told you at the very beginning, and those dates were from the 16th and the 22nd. Now be sure to subscribe down below, and I hope y'all are having a great week and saving money, budgeting all of your expenses that you see fit, and I hope y'all have a great weekend, and I will see you guys later. Bye.